The term, "where to get loans online," is quite a popular phrase in the finance industry these days. However, it is an equally popular phrase with negative connotations attached to it. When you seek some personal loans online, you would surely think of a few fraudulent loan providers and other scams that could be floating around. Here are some of the ways on how to get loans online safely and easily. This way is much better than the normal approach, which involves searching the internet for loans. Therefore, let us discuss these two methods. The first method is the way, which is common among most of the common people, which is the regular search of loan lenders over the internet. This is easy because the internet enables you to apply and find loans online very easily. You just have to click on the particular loan lender that suits your requirements. This is similar to the traditional approach of searching the internet. However, the question that arises when talking about how to get loans online is that, why should you search the internet? There are many advantages associated with this approach. If you go directly to the loan provider, it might simply mean that you would have to make lengthy calls to the agents to know more about their loan terms and conditions. So, if you do this, you would not be able to find out the complete information regarding the terms and conditions of the loan firms. You would not be able to check the status of the loan as well. For example, if you look for a loan firm that has changed its name, you would not be able to find out the reason why. The next way to go is the approach which is less intrusive and more efficient. This is the application process through the official website of the loan firm. This is much less time-consuming and also results in less chances of rejection. Once you submit the application form online, you can be sure that the lender will not ask you to go to the offices and talk to them. However, this is not the easiest way to apply for the loan. There are some questions that would need to be answered by you. So, when you do this, you should always consult the loan providers regarding their response policies. Also, it would be good to know whether they require you to make payments, if the loan amount is too high or too low. In addition to these, how to get loans online should also take into account the kind of fees you would have to pay the lender. Sometimes, these fees would be minimal, but if you want to enjoy the loan, you should always think about whether it is really worth paying the extra money. However, even though there is a cost associated with loans, it is still better than searching the internet for all of them. In addition to these formal ways, there are some informal ways that you can use when you seek some loans online. You can think about borrowing money from friends or relatives. This would be the easiest way to get a loan online. Even if you are not really good at managing money, you can borrow money from your friends or relatives. This could also prove to be helpful, especially if you don't have a job. You can have a small loan for something that will be paid back soon. To sum up, when you talk about where to get loans online, you will come across many different options. Therefore, you should always try to talk to a genuine financial agent for advice.